Hey everyone, in this quick After Effects tutorial I'll show you how to create this procedural fluid background animation. We add a new solid, color doesn't matter, and add fractal noise. You can also add turbulent noise. We set the noise type to spline, contrast to 1200, brightness to -100, complexity to 1. Then we add directional blur. Direction 90 degrees, blur length 500. Next we add tritone, adjust the colors for the highlights, midtones and shadows. Finally we add turbulent displays, amount 50, size 120, complexity 4. We animate the evolution with a time expression, time asterisk 50. Then we animate the x value of the offset. X equals time asterisk 50, semicolon. Y equals, we link to the y offset value, semicolon. We add an array, square brackets, x, y inside.